Our country India is a vast country located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. India is divided into 29 states and 9 union territories. Dear listeners, India, our country, is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders from the Himalayas to Indian Ocean, desert of Thar in the snowy mountain of Sikkim. It is a country full of beautiful landscape and beautiful people. India is a unique country with diversity. Diversity in languages, diversity in clothing, diversity in festivals, diversity in states, diversity in regions, etc. Today we will pick only two topics. First is neighboring countries of India and second is physical division of India. All we know, India stretches from about 3,214 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its breadth from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is 2,933 kilometers. And very important point is that the width of India decreases as we move towards the south. It becomes broad to narrow as we move towards the south. In the term of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. According to the population, it is second largest country and China ranks first in population. Only 6 countries in the world are larger in size than India. In order of their areas, they are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. After this brief introduction, let's start our first point, that is neighboring countries of India. There are many countries which share their land border with India. You can see in the map also. Number 1, in the northwest of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the north, China, Nepal and Bhutan. In the east, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Our neighbors across the sea in the south are Sri Lanka and Maldives. And one interesting fact is that India surrounds Bangladesh on 3 sides. Dear listeners, all you know that India is a vast country and the landscape of India has diverse elements all on one landmass. The wide range of physical features of India makes the country a complete geographical study. Its landforms differ from one place to another. On the basis of physical features, India can be divided into different physical features. The Northern Mountains. The huge Himalayan mountains form the northern mountain region of India. These mountains separate India from the rest of Asia. They also protect India from chilling cold winds. Second division is the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are an important physical division of India. It is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plains. The Northern Plains are situated to the south of the Himalayas. The next division is the Western Desert. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region, arid means very dry region, in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 2 lakh kilometers and form a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. Now come to the fourth division, that is the Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau or Deccan Plateau is a large plateau in western and southern India. Fifth and last division is the coastal plains of India. The coastal plains of India lie on the either side of the peninsula plateau. They are broadly divided into the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Dear listeners, these are the 5 main physical divisions of our country India. Let's know more knowledgeable facts about our beautiful country. Do you know the southern part of India is a peninsula? Peninsula means surrounded by water from three sides. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast, the Arabian Sea along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India has a long coastline because southern India is surrounded by sea in three sides. The southernmost tip of the Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. However, the southernmost tip of Indian Union is the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands are also the part of our country India. Dear listeners, in the 26 December 2004 tsunami, Indira Point subsides 4.25 meter in the sea and its lighthouse was damaged. The lighthouse has been made functional since then. Hope you enjoyed the information and may it help you to understand the chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section.